Hey guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today I'd like to share a fun read aloud with you of the story Hiccups for Elephant. Hiccups for Elephant was written in 1994 by James Preller, and this story was illustrated by Hans Wilhelm, and I hope you really enjoy it. If you're ready to hear the story, I'm ready to share it with you. Here we go. Hiccups for Elephant. Now, how many of you have ever had the hiccups? And they just keep on coming, and you find sometimes they take a little break and you think you're all done. And how many of you, when you've had the hiccups, have had people try to help you get rid of them? This story is all about people or animals trying to help elephants get rid of their hiccups. Hiccups for Elephant. It was nap time. All the animals were fast asleep. So you can see a sleeping chimp and a sleeping lion and a sleeping zebra and a sleeping other kind of creature that I'm not sure what it is yet. We'll find out. Except for Elephant. He had the hiccups. It's a little embarrassing. Chimp woke up. So Hiccups woke up Chimp. I can cure those hiccups, Chimp said. Stand on your head and eat a banana. You think that would work? Maybe it's worked for the chimp. Do you think that it will work for the elephant to stand on his head and eat a banana? We'll see. Elephant gave it a try. Kaboom! It only made him dizzy. You can see he's been a pretty good sport. Upside down, Chimp's helping him. He's eating a banana. And then he fell down and was a little dizzy. But maybe his hiccups are gone. Maybe they fell out of him. Lion woke up. Ooh, and look, Lion does not look pleased about waking up. But you can see that Elephant's a little embarrassed. He doesn't want to have the hiccups and be disturbing his friends. I can cure you of those hiccups, Lion said. Drink lots of water. Very, very fast. Do you think that'll help? I know that sometimes when I have the hiccups, if I drink some water, they sometimes go away, but maybe I'm not drinking my water fast enough. Elephant gave it a try. He drank and drank and drank and drank and drank. I wonder if he's even thirsty. It's hard to drink a lot when you're not thirsty. And maybe this cured his hiccups. Zebra woke up. Now I wonder what Zebra's going to say to do. But Zebra doesn't look mad. He just looks surprised, like he got woke up from a big dream. Hey, I can cure those hiccups, Zebra said. Hold your breath and count to 10 backwards. So he wants him to hold his breath and count backwards from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Elephant gave it a try. He has a little knot in his trunk to help it stay in. 3, 2, 1. Mouse. Oh, it was a mouse. Mouse woke up. So all that time holding his breath and counting backwards, tying his trunk in a knot, and he woke up the little sleeping mouse. He looks irritated, doesn't he? You can see that his little mouth is turned down. What is all the noise? Mouse asked. I'm trying to sleep. Poor elephant has the hiccups, Chimp explained. Mouse looked the elephant in the eye. Boo! he shouted. Everyone waited and waited, but there were no more hiccups. So this tiny little guy yelled, "Boo!" at the elephant. You can see it startled him or scared him. And all the animals are like, "Oh, what? What just happened there? What's going on?" But they didn't hear any more hiccups. "Works every time," Mouse said. And all the animals fell back to sleep. So there's some proof that elephants, even though they're very big, are actually very afraid of mice. And I've always heard that it's because sometimes mice will run up their trunks. Could you imagine something running up your nose and staying in there? I'd be a little scared too. But a common myth for cures of hiccups is that they just need to be scared out of you. And it looks like it worked. And everyone's sleeping in a big pile. Except for Elephant. The end. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you really enjoyed the story, Hiccups for Elephant. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of the page. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. If you're not a subscriber yet, click the subscribe button down here at the bottom of the page. And don't forget to click the bell so that you're notified when there's new content. I hope to see you all again real soon. Bye-bye.